Okay, so it's raining really, really hard, as you can see. It's coming down pretty bad, and then it comes off the roof in like massive amounts, and it's just raining, and we have a lot of thunder. Okay, it just went off as I said that. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty bad. There it goes again. It sounds like it's like really, really like close. I don't know though. And then it's just really, really rainy. And even there you can see it coming down really, really hard. It covers like my whole patio. So this is the joys of moving to North Carolina. And then our parking lot gets kind of flooded, which is extra fun. So it's good times. And there you go.